Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Comfy Homes, where we dive into the strangest, funniest, and most jaw-dropping food facts out there. You might think you know a lot about what's on your plate, but trust me, there's some bizarre stuff lurking in the world of food. So grab a snack, if you dare, and let's get into 8 weirdest food facts that will blow your mind. First up, did you know that bananas are technically berries? But here's the kicker: strawberries aren't. It all comes down to botany. According to science, a berry must develop from a single flower with one ovary. Bananas fit the bill, but strawberries don't. Mind blown. Brace yourselves. On average, you're consuming about 1 to 2 pounds of insects every year, hidden in processed foods like chocolate and peanut butter. The FDA actually allows a small amount of bugs in food products. Totally safe, but still pretty creepy, right? Next, let's talk ketchup. Back in the 1830s, ketchup was marketed as a cure for indigestion and other ailments. It was sold as a tonic in pill form. So the next time you're reaching for ketchup, remember, it used to be doctor's orders. Ever feel a tingle after eating pineapple? That's because pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein, which means it's literally eating away at your mouth while you eat it. Don't worry, your body heals quickly, so you're safe from becoming a pineapple snack. Cashews are delicious, but did you know they come from a toxic fruit? The cashew nut grows on the bottom of a cashew apple and is surrounded by a shell containing a toxin similar to poison ivy. That's why they're always sold pre-shelled. Those glossy fruit-flavored snacks you love, they get their shine from a substance called shellac, which is made from secretions of a bug called the lac beetle. Yum, or maybe not. Potatoes can absorb and reflect Wi-Fi signals. Believe it or not, potatoes can boost your Wi-Fi. Their water content and chemical makeup allow them to absorb and reflect wireless signals. In fact, airlines have used sacks of potatoes to test in-flight Wi-Fi systems. 8. Carrots were originally purple. Last but not least, carrots weren't always orange. The original carrots were purple or even yellow. The orange variety we know today was selectively bred in the Netherlands in the 17th century as a tribute to the Dutch royal family. So there you have it, the 8 weirdest food facts that you can impress or gross out your friends with. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fascinating foodie content. Until next time, keep your curiosity and appetite alive.